25 years, Silverton Casino Lodge has been a staple here in Las Vegas for visitors and locals alike. Well, with their newly renovated property, there is so much more to see and some exciting new amenities to check out. Let's go take a look.
Hello,
Hi.
and welcome to Silverton. I'm Keith Sawaski, Executive Director of Communications, and why don't I bring you on a tour?
Oh, I would love that.
All right,
Let's
come
do
on.
it. All right, Keith, we have got to talk about dining here at Silverton because you guys have got a ton of great options. We're starting out with Sundance.
Yeah, Sundance is our 24-hour diner, and anything from breakfast to late night dinner. You can even get a $9.99 steak and eggs breakfast overnight.
Well, I not only Sundance, but I kind of want to get my Grove on over here at Shady Grove. What's happening in this space? It looks so fun.
Yeah, this is our sports bar, and you can play billiards here. There's an Airstream bowling alley here with 2 lanes.
A little
Airstream.
foosball.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
And of course, you can't forget the fun giant Connect 4. Let's see, someone already won. I don't think. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Almost there. Need one more. And a classic Jenga. Giant Jenga. All right, I see some red bricks ahead of us here, but there's some fun stuff happening in there where you can get your fine dining on. Is that correct?
Yeah, this is our fine dining steakhouse, Twin Creeks. We're pretty proud of it. It just got Best Steakhouse in the Las Vegas Weekly
Oh, we love that.
issue.
Well, I can't wait to go in there. I might sneak in and see if I can get a quick steak really quick. Now, I've heard of Mi Casa es Su Casa, and you guys definitely have that here. So what's going on? We got a Mi Casa and Su Casa.
All right, we've got Mi Casa, which is our Mexican restaurant, and great margaritas, wonderful Mexican food. But tucked away is our little hidden secret here called Su Casa. It's our sushi bar. We've got a wonderful sushi chef that will provide a great sushi for you.
Keith, we talked a lot about your sit-down dining, fine dining experiences. We got the Mi Casa, Su Casa, my favorite combo here. But if you're not looking for a sit-down meal and you want a quick bite, you guys have a few options as well.
Yeah, we've got Johnny Rockets, which has great fries, burgers, and malts.
Oh, yeah.
We also have Woohoo Noodle, which is a really popular Asian concept that we have. All the locals love to come out and get their Chinese and Asian food from Woohoo.
Oh, I love it. Well, I'm gonna go grab a milkshake really quick and we'll check out maybe the aquarium in just a bit. All right, I could get lost in this aquarium, Keith. This looks gorgeous. Why do you think people love this spot right here?
This is our 117,000 gallon aquarium, and we've got about 2,000 fish in here. And we've got everything from sharks to stingrays to clownfish, and also mermaids.
Wait. Mermaids?
Yes.
Mermaids, you said?
Yes, we're known for our mermaid swims that happen every day now, and you can come out in the afternoon and see a mermaid swimming around.
I love that. You know, one of the things that's really cool that you guys do here too, not just can you observe the mermaids, but don't you have a mermaid school?
Yeah, we do. We've got a mermaid school for kids, and we've got one for adults, where you get to go backstage, to take a tour of the facility, and then put on your own fin and actually swim in the tank.
Well, I'm assuming you have one ready to go for me, right?
Absolutely.
Well, that's great. You know, we have the aquarium. There's some other amenities. You've got the gym. We're doing more things on the pool. What's going on with your pool?
We're spending $10 million to completely redo the pool. It'll be a pool with cabanas, and there'll be a brand new bar called the Watering Hole, a bar and restaurant as well. So it'll be a great experience, and that'll be coming in April.
Thanks for checking out all the Silverton Hotel and Lodge has to offer. From restaurants to aquariums, newly renovated rooms, and shops. There's always something new to see. Until next time. For more information about the Silverton Hotel and Lodge or to book your stay, visit silvertoncasino.com.